How to scan a product on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping app. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top right here and click on this little icon as you can see, and now click allow access to the camera and click allow from here, and you will be able to scan the product that you want easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.